Hello everyone. So today we are trying to see how we can draw a 3D model with AutoCAD software. So for that we are going to draw basic shapes in left, right or front and top views, and they are going to press pull it. So this is a question which we have. Typically, as you can see in the left, we will see a F-type shape which is extruded along the normal to the left plane. Then on the top you can see there is a square or there is a rectangular shape which is being cut on the from the object, and at front you can see this triangular shape. So these three things we will draw together, and then we will create the object. Now in order to solve this, we will go to your AutoCAD. The AutoCAD, you can see this workspace. If it is not available, you can just go to this drop down and go to and start this workspace. From this you can go to 3D basic type of workspace where we can draw 3D things. Now typically in this question, on the left plane you can see there is a F-type shape which is drawn in which is extended along normal to the left plane. So first of all we will for visualization we will go to the left plane, and in the left plane itself, in the left plane XY view, we will try to draw a, let me just check which is my regular view, the top. Yeah, uh, as you can see, I have selected a top plane at here, left plane on the left side, front plane on the right side, and now I will go for my readjustment of the uh, readjustment of the coordinate system. So I will select the left type of coordinate system, and now I will in the XY plane I will draw the F shape. I will keep the ortho mode on so that I can have better control. Now typically, as you can see, the vertical height for the F is 45 plus 12 plus 24 plus again 12. That means 93. So the height is 93. Just zoom out of it. Yeah. So height is 93. Then horizontal length is 50. So this length is 50. As you can see, I am drawing in XY plane right now so that I can extrude it, or I will press pull it along Z. Now the vertical height of the drop is 12, then 14, then 24, and again 12, and the distance at which this length is back is 22. So accordingly, I will draw the view. Let me have this as 12, then 22, 24, and again 22, 12, and now you can see this length is more. It is 18 minus 50, that is 32. So I will draw this length as 32 now, and again the remaining length is again 45 height and 18 width. Let me just complete this F shape, 45 and 18. So with this the F shape is completed, and I will just press pull this entire thing. Now the width at which I want is the entire length, that is 90. So I will specify 90 mm in length. The object which I am able to see is in currently wireframe format. So I will just go and select a conceptual sketch so I can see what is happening in actual. Now this is the F-type shape which we got, and as we know, as per the drawing, we can see at the top side we have a rectangular hole which is throughout to the end. So to draw that, I will initially go to visualize and select coordinates on the top side. Now on the top side, I will draw this rectangle of the required length. Now the width of the rectangle is actually 50 minus 32. That means 18 mm, and the height or length is 40 mm. So I'll have a rectangle of 40 by 18. We just complete that rectangle. So 40 over here, then 18, then again 40, and again 18. Then again I will go to press pull and I will select this rectangle, and I will just push it down. You can see it automatically got cut from the shape. On the similar line, as you can see, this triangular, this taper edge which is available. So I will try to, right now I have a rectangular edge, so I will cut a triangular shape from it to get this taper shape. So for that, the height of the triangle will be total height 93 minus 45 minus 22. So we'll try to see, instead of calculating, we'll try to see how we can draw actually with help of the given dimensions itself. So initially I will first go to visualize, and I will select the front plane to draw. Then again I will go to line, and in the line I will have a vertical height of initial 45, then the remaining 22, and remaining height, as you can see, is 26. So this 26 I got. Then as you can see, the total width at the top is 40 plus 10, and actually it was 90, so remaining part is 40. So the width of the triangle will be 40 mm, and from that 40 I will just, as I already have got this endpoint, I will join the endpoint to complete it. The remaining, the earlier drawings which I had drawn, I will just delete those lines to avoid confusion. Now typically right now it's not visible, so I will just rotate it a bit, and as you can see, this is the triangular shape which I wanted. There is another edge over here which I need to delete. So let me just delete that edge. Again I will go to press pull, and since I'm already in the front view, I can easily press pull it, and by going to press pull I will remove this shape also. And with that, as you can see, the object is almost completed. So further to check, I will again go to the 3D or the world coordinate system, and in the world coordinate system, as you can see, I will get, if I take the top view or the corner view, you can see the top shape, the left and the right planes which are already visible. To easily check the object, I will just move it a bit from the drawing so that it will be properly visible to me. And drawings which we have drawn earlier, I can just delete those drawings. So 3D shape will be there with me. Let me just zoom it. So this is the solution which I got for the 3D shape. And again, um, if I in the conceptual format, if I go for printing the shape, I will just select print to PDF format. I will go to Windows and select this area for printing. I will just center the plot and check the preview. So as you can see, the object which I have drawn is visible to me properly.